Hello. In this lesson, we will discuss how to texture animation can be done using UV coordinates. Let's see how I made the texture. All photos of the same size are linked in sequence and stored as a single image. The proportion of each photo corresponds to the proportion of the surface on which we will place it. Now go to the Blender. Mark the object and create a texture for it. Click on the yellow dot next to the base color. Select Image Texture. Let's assign the texture to the face. Press the Tab button on the keyboard, select the surface, then Texture, and press Assign. Click on the Open button and specify the image file. Now let's adjust the texture coordinates. Select the surface, look from the front, press the U button and select Project from View Bounds. Go to UV Editor. Change the viewport to the rendered mode. In the left window, place the points on the first image. The points are moved as follows. Select the desired points and press G. If you want the point to move horizontally, then press X. Now prepare the texture for the animation. Go to the shading section. Change the viewport to the rendered mode. To set the texture animation settings for the object, switch to Object Mode and select the item. Load the panels and connect them as shown in the video. Add the timeline panel. Let's create the animation by moving the texture consistently. The images are replaced from the mapping panel by changing the X coordinates. Set frame number 1 in the timeline. Click on the X-coordinate data with the right mouse button and insert a keyframe. Look for the X-coordinate value for the next frame. In this case, X is equal to 0.25. Conditionally place the first image of the texture on the 19th frame as well. In the 20th frame, specify the second texture image and insert the keyframe. Indicate the other images in the same way according to the video. Click the play button and see the full animation. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Blender Navigator channel. Good luck!